Hello students, welcome again to your maths classes. Today I am going to solve question 3 and 4 of exercise 1 and I hope you are enjoying because you are staying at home with your family and you want the same thing, that stay at home and do your study. So no need to go to school and no need of the burden of the heavy bags. Okay, alright, from exercise 1. Okay, exercise 1. The points which I will cover in this video are: convert a numeral into in expanded form, and second is convert expanded form into a numeral. So these are the two main points which I will cover in this video, and based on these concepts I will tell you how to solve the questions. Okay, and students, try to understand these concepts, be sincere and honestly focus on the video, then try to understand the topics and complete your homework, because if you don't do the homework it will be an incomplete knowledge. मीन्स अगर आपने कुछ सीखा है और अगर उसकी प्रैक्टिस आप नहीं कर रहे हैं तो वो नॉलेज आपके लिए इनकम्प्लीट रहेगा, कुछ वक्त बाद आप उसको भूल जाएंगे. सो आई होप एंड इट इज़ अ काइंड रिक्वेस्ट. ओके, बी सिंसियर. नाउ I am going to tell you this first point. I will tell you how to solve the questions. So I am taking questions from your maths textbook. The question number 3 and 4 I will solve. So focus on your mobile screen. Question number 3 of exercise 1. It is given that write the expanded form of the following. So the question is, write the expanded form. First part. Okay, I am going to solve first part. The number is 1 2 3 7 2. Okay students, it is 12,372 as we have to write this number in expanded form. Do you know what is expanded form? Okay, expanded form depends on the position of the digits in a number. For example, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. So according to these positions we will convert this number into expanded form by considering the digits one by one. So what is the method? Just count the position of digits. यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे, देखिए इस डायरेक्शन में. ओके, फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट. वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड्स, थाउजेंड्स, 10,000. एज यू नो 10,000 means there are 5 zeros. Okay, so again I am going to tell you a very short method. So if you want to write any number in expanded form, what you have to do, for this digit we will start from this digit. So consider the digit as 1. Now hide this digit. How many digits are remaining? There are 4 digits. So we will write 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4. And finally it is 10,000 because the position of 1 is 10,000. See again, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. and there are 4 zeros in 10,000. So we will write 4 zeros and which are following 1. Then we will write plus sign. Again this one is completed. Now we will consider 2. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. It means it is 2000. Again you can see that after hiding the 2 we have 3 digits. It means we will convert these digits into zeros. So 2 0 0 0. In this way we will write. Then plus sign. We will consider 3. Hide this 3. How many digits are there? 2 digits. So we will write 3 and double zeros. So 3 and double zeros. Plus we consider 7. As you can see, now it becomes easier. Ones, tens. It means it is 70. But follow the same method. Hide 7. There is 1 digit. So we will write 7 0. And finally we will write 2. We will write no zeros after 2 because this is the last digit, as its place is ones, means units place. So this digit will be remain as it is. Now this is the expanded form of this number. Again I tell you, if you understand only one question of the whole exercise, then you can easily solve remaining questions because the pattern of all the questions is same. अगर इस क्वेश्चन का पैटर्न आप अच्छे से समझते हो कि कैसे सोल्व करना है, तो इस टाइप के बाकी क्वेश्चंस इजीली सोल्व हो जाएंगे. ओके, दिस नंबर इज 12,372. ऑलराइट, नाउ वी कंसीडर 1, then 2, 3, 7 and 2. So first we will consider 1. Write 1. And how many digits are there? 4 digits. So we'll write 4 zeros. Put plus sign. Then consider 2. How many digits? 3 digits. So write 2 and 3 zeros. Plus sign. This 3. How many digits are there? 2. So 3 and 2 zeros. Plus we will consider 7. How many digits are there? Only 1 digit. Means 7 के बाद में आपका एक ही नंबर है, तो आप 7 के बाद में एक जीरो लिखेंगे. एंड 2 के बाद में कोई भी नंबर नहीं है तो हम 2 लिख देंगे. ओके, नाउ आई होप यू गॉट इट. और अगर पूरा समझ में नहीं आया हो तो आपको नेक्स्ट पार्ट में अच्छे से समझ में आएगा. थर्ड क्वेश्चन आई एम गोइंग टू सोल्व सेकेंड पार्ट. सेकेंड पार्ट, द नंबर इज 2 3 4 3 4. Same concept. Okay, as you can see there are 5 digits. Now आपको बहुत अच्छे से वीडियो देखना है. ओके, जो भी कॉन्सेप्ट मैं बता रहा हूँ उस पर फोकस करना आपको. देखिए बहुत इजी है, बहुत ज़्यादा इजी है ये चैप्टर जो है. हियर यू कैन सी 5 digits. So first we will write 2, means we will write equal sign, then 2. How many digits are there after 2? There are 4 digits. So we will write 4 zeros. Then consider 3. So how many digits after 3? 3 digits. So it means it is 3 0 0 0. Convert all the remaining digits into zeros. So it is 3 0 0 0. Plus, then think about 4. How many digits after 4? 2 digits. So convert these into zeros. It means we write 4 0 0. Plus, consider 3. There is only 1 digit after 3. So we will write 3 0. And finally after 4 there is no 0. So we will write 4. It means 23,434 can be written as 20,000 plus 3,000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 4. So this is the expanded form of this number. As in the last video you learned about numerals and word form. So this is called expanded form, not a word form. Okay, इस तरह से आप numbers को expanded form में convert करेंगे. Now I tell you next question, that is question 4, and we will convert the expanded form into an equivalent numeral. So question 4 is, write the following in numeral form. Write the following in numeral form. I am going to solve first part. It is 40,000 plus 5,000 plus 700 plus 70 plus 2. All right. Students, this is the number. Now, first of all, I want to tell you that how to solve this question quickly, means within few seconds. See, this is an expanded form and we have to write an equivalent numeral, means इस expanded form के जो सेम न्यूमरल होगा, जो नंबर होगा, उसको हमें लिखना है. ओके, नाउ trick is that just count the number of zeros. After this I will tell you another method, but this is a short method and within 5 or 10 seconds you can write the answer. Number of zeros are 4. Only zeros. How many zeros? 3. How many zeros? 2. Number of zeros? 1. And number of zeros? Nothing. Okay, no zeros. So there is a pattern. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Means it is a reverse counting. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. It is a reverse counting. So the method is to just write all these numbers 4, 5, 7, 7 and 2. You will get the answer. Okay. So isn't it interesting? Yes, why not? So the answer will be 4, 5, 7, 7, 2. This is your answer, simply. Okay. The number is 40,000 plus 5,000, that is 45,000. So we have 45,772. We have 772. Okay, then try to check it out. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. 45,772. Okay, students. Now, second part is, you can follow this method. 30,000 plus 9,000 plus 900 plus 00 plus 8. Okay, just add the numbers. As you know, the addition. So write these all the digits. This is 30,000. Next is 9,000. So 9,000 को आप इस तरह से लिखेंगे. Then 900 आप इस तरह से लिखेंगे. 00 and finally 8. I hope you are comfortable with this type of addition. Now add all these digits. If we add these, we get 8. All these are zeros, so you get 0. This is 0 plus 0 plus 9. So it is 9, because if you add any number with 0, you get the same number. Then 0 plus 9, again 9, and this is 3. So the answer is 39,908. So students, in this video I told you two methods. Okay, if you know the number of zeros that are in a sequence in reverse counting, just write the first digits of all these numbers, 3, 9, 9, 0, 8. If you are not comfortable with that method, you can simply perform this type of addition. So I hope you understood. You can see this video 2 or 3 times, then try to solve the questions given in your homework. Okay students, have a good day.